No basic zone.
What's up, Stushy, and welcome back to another video with the Stush Life. So today I am going to be unboxing and showing you guys what I recently picked up from Gucci. I actually went to Woodbury Commons in New York and picked up a Gucci Cosmetic pouch. So if you guys want to see what the pouch looks like, what fits in the pouch, and all that about the pouch, you guys have already seen the pouch in my thumbnail. But if you guys want to see what fits in all that, definitely make sure you guys stay tuned. Before we start today's video off, don't forget to leave your girl a thumbs up down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel down below, and become a Stush gal, join the Stush gang, and follow me on Instagram as well at the Stush Life. So now that we got the intro out the way, I know you guys are excited to see the bag, but really quickly, just details on the look. I promise I already filmed a full get ready with me sharing how I achieved this look, so I'll leave that video up above and down below for you guys. And then I just put on these earrings that I picked up from, like, I think these are from Forever 21, and then I just have on this blue tank top from Target, my favorite store. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, let's move on to this pouch, shall we? So I have the box right here. You guys probably know that this is the old Gucci box because I did go to the Gucci outlet in Woodbury Commons. That is not upstate New York, but it's like an hour or so, 54 minutes roughly, depending on how fast you're driving, out of the Bronx. I do live in the Bronx. So New Yorkers already know there are a ton of different stores there. You have Gucci, you have Prada, you have Nike. So I went into Gucci and saw this pouch. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. It's gonna be an unofficial unboxing because these products are being sold at a discounted price, so they don't give you like the luxe boxing and all that other stuff. Hence why I got an old Gucci box. But let's just go ahead and open it because I'm not trying to keep y'all here for too long. Y'all just really want to see the bag. Y'all want to know what fits in the bag. So let me go ahead and open it up. It didn't come with any tissue paper or anything like that because, again, it's being sold at the outlet. So they're not giving you a top tier experience because you're getting it at a discounted price, basically. But it did come with a dust bag, so I was very excited about that. This is the dust bag. This is also an old dust bag. Gucci did change their boxing, their dust bags, the paper, all of that, the wrapping and all of that. So let me go ahead and open her up. All right. And this is the cosmetic pouch. Let me go ahead and get a quick thumbnail. Okay, that's probably the one that you guys saw that made you guys click this video. So this is the pouch. Let me go ahead and get the exact name so you guys can know exactly what this pouch is called. This is the Gucci Gigi Marmont Maltese Chevron leather pouch cosmetic bag in the color Wild Rose, and this is what she looks like. I believe this is this a medium-sized pouch? I'm not 100% sure on the size of this pouch. I want to say this is either a medium or large. This is what she looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. All the docs and paper and stuff is inside. They only gave me this. Like, what is this? This doesn't stuff a bag, but my receipt and everything is in here. I just compiled everything in here because I'm like, this is gonna make it easy. But this originally retails for $490. It is a large. It's a large pouch. It says it on the receipt. And then you get all your official stuff right here, your authenticity card. And this is my Woodbury receipt. So this pouch originally retails for $490, not including tax, and I got it at a discounted price of $345. Yeah, I know. I love the color pink. Look behind me. When I saw this pouch, I just knew I had to have it. I knew it had to come home with me. Like, are you kidding me? This is stunning. When I got to the register and they were ringing me out, the cashier scanned the pouch and she said, that price ain't right. And I said, they told me that on the floor that that was the price. So y'all figure it out. Unless it's cheaper, let me know, because that's what they told me. They confirmed that it was the right price. She thought that it was marked incorrectly, but the price was right. The discounted price that they told me was the correct price that it was being sold for. So she immediately said she had to go get one for herself because she didn't even know that they were on the floor. But I secured mine, okay? So let's get some quick shots up close, shall we? Front of the bag. And you do get the silver hardware with this. Side of the bag. Back of the bag. Other side of the bag. You get one zip, right? And when you open her up, pink interior, love that, no pockets, but you do get your Gucci tag in there, and then the serial numbers, of course, on the other side. How stunning is she? Absolutely, absolutely stunning. I know I'm building my little luxury collection or whatever, so this is actually my second Gucci bag. I'm gonna consider this a bag, being that it's a pouch, and I've seen people on YouTube turn this into a crossbody. I'm gonna research how to do that, because one thing I believe is getting your money's worth, okay? And I don't necessarily see myself using it as a cosmetic pouch all the time. So if I can add a little strap to it, best believe I'm gonna do it, okay? Okay. So I'll keep you guys posted if I turn this into a crossbody. Let me put all the paperwork back in the receipts, booklet, or whatever, just in the event that I decide to sell it later on down the road. But really quickly, I did search on Google for the exact same pouch, and it's being sold on Fashion File for $4.25 and eBay for $4.99, Forward for $4.90, Fashion File $6.50. So different prices. I'd say I got it for a steal. What do y'all say? But let's go ahead and get into what fits into my cosmetic pouch. I'm just gonna grab a bunch of stuff and let's see what fits, shall we? Hang on. So I grabbed a bunch of stuff right here. Let's just see what fits, shall we? And full size stuff, might I add. So I've got my e.l.f. Halo Glow. I actually used this today. Put that in there. I've got a full size Laura Mercier powder. Put that in there, and I'm not like organizing it neatly at all. I really want to see like what fits without having to force anything. Lip gloss, putting that in there. Makeup by Mario. This is actually going back to Sephora, but we're putting that in there, right? I have my Juvia's Place palette, putting that in there, right? I have a Fenty primer, putting that in there. Okay, so far this is what we're looking like. Can y'all see? So far this is what we're looking like. Putting a Black Opal foundation stick in there. What else do I have that I could pop in here? Putting a Fenty Beauty gloss, what is this called? Lip oil in here. Let's put a lash box in here. Quick plug for all my lash business, Caprel NYC. I'm wearing these lashes today, called a Lavish. Let's put that box in here. Let's see. I think we could zip and be safe. You could even put a lip. Hold up. Let's see. Wait. Let me just turn this the other way. It could fit. Don't get nervous now. It could fit. Okay, she look a little lopsided. Give me a second. Give me a second. We might have to rearrange some things, but I feel like everything in here could fit. Let me take the Makeup by Mario out of the box, because we really don't need it in the box if you really think about it. Take it out the box. That's a little better. Realistically, I feel like people are filling it to the brim. We fit a lot of things in here, if I do say so myself. I could definitely take out a few things just so she's not too big, or just so she's not like disformed or anything like that, but not bad. I definitely could see myself turning this into a crossbody. Will I do so? I don't know. Y'all will just have to find out on the next episode of the Stush Life. But I'm overall pleased with my purchase. I really love this color. I feel like it is super cute. I love the silver hardware. I'm not usually a silver or hardware gal, but I do like the silver hardware. I think this is a perfect thing to just add to one of your bigger bags if of course you're bringing around makeup, or you want to put maybe like toiletries or whatever in here. I feel like this is a great bag to do so with. But I saw this in the store and I just knew it was coming home with me. So once again, this is my Gucci GG Marma Maltese bag in the color Wild Rose. I just wanted to come on here and share it with you guys. So I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, just showing you guys what fits in the cosmetic case, the large Gucci cosmetic case. So with that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you own one of these down below. Again, this is my first luxury cosmetic case, so I really want to try my best to keep her clean. I don't really baby my bag, but I could definitely see the interior for this getting dirty, and I really don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna baby this one just a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my cute little pouch. If you guys did, make sure you leave your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to join the Stush gang down below, and follow me as well on Instagram at the Stush Life. Stay tuned to see if I turn this into a crossbody pouch, because I'm definitely here for getting all uses out of this bag. Okay, all right. But thank you guys again for watching, and until the next one, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys.